Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x plus y where x plus xy plus y is equal to 54 and xy are natural number. So here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. We have given x plus xy plus y is equal to 54, or adding 1 to both sides we can write here x plus xy plus y plus 1 is equal to 54 plus 1, or taking common x to first two term we will get x bracket 1 plus y, and taking common 1 we will get y plus 1 is equal to 55, or taking common y plus 1 plus y, we will get 1 plus y times x plus 1 is equal to 55, or rearranging it we can write here y plus 1 times x plus 1 is equal to 55 can be written as 1 times 55 is equal to 55 times 1, or 5 times 11, or 11 times 5. So y plus 1 may be 1 or x plus 1 may be 55, but x and y both are positive integers, so x plus 1 and y plus 1 must be greater than 1. So this and this are cancelled out. So y plus 1 can be 5 and x plus 1 can be 11, or y plus 1 can be 11 and x plus 1 can be 5. So we can write here y plus 1 is equal to 5 and x plus 1 is equal to 11, or y plus 1 is equal to 11 and x plus 1 is equal to 5. Now if we add this 2 or 2 we will get x plus 1 plus y plus 1 is equal to 16, or x plus y plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 16, or x plus y is equal to 16 minus 2. So the value of x plus y is equal to 14. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.